What is up, guys? I'm going to show you real quick how to make a loop in a program, or just a program that will loop. Alright, first off, we're going to want to import our, I should actually click, alright, there we go. First off, what I always start is by naming it a .java, so loops.java. I already named that. It is case sensitive, so whatever you named here, name on your public class. But first, import the scanner, which is import space java.util or util, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. That scanner with a capital S and a semicolon. Alright, now hit enter twice if you want, whatever. Type in public class space loops space an opening bracket. Now hit enter and tab and type in public static void main string. Now you can just copy down what I have right here. Now I like to hit tab and hit enter again, make it look a little spaced out better. Scanner input is equal to new scanner, oops, dot in, right, with the semicolon. Now if it looks like this, now real quick, this scanner input right here, this word input, you can change this to whatever you want and it will still work. If you need to add more than one scanner, you're going to have to rename this to something like maybe input 2 or whatever you want, because you can't have more than one be the same name. Alright, now moving on to the next part, you can hit enter or twice, whatever you want. Type in int and then do anything like just name it lowercase s if you want, or start is equal to 1. Alright, so semicolon. Now type in, hit enter and type in while parenthesis 1 is, I believe this is the less than, I'm not sure. 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 7. I believe that is the highest number that Java can go to. Oh wait, alright, no, this, you gotta go back. This 1 is actually supposed to be the S that we put up here. Alright, confused myself there for a minute. Alright, now we don't need a semicolon right there. We have to hit enter and put an opening bracket. And type in system.out.println, not just print, but println. And here we're going to want to put whatever we want, so like test loops, and we don't have to space it here to make a difference, but at the end we're going to want to space it. Don't know what you look for, but space it, put another quotation mark, and space again, put a plus symbol, space S. So this will put the number, what number you're at there. Alright, now I like to space it, then put the closing parenthesis and then semicolon. Then you want to hit enter and type in S plus plus semicolon, and then your closing bracket underneath that. Now you can, if this is optional, you can type in whatever you want here, or just type in like system. You don't even have to type anything if you want to, but at the end it will say system.out.print, and you can just type in something like thanks for using my program. Now you're going to want to close bracket, so I like to enter twice, then backspace, closing bracket, enter, backspace, closing bracket. I think it looks better. I also forgot to mention this number right here. You can put that number anything you want. Alright, now if you already have it loops.java, just hit save. Go to where you saved it at. I'm not using JGrasp in this video. I'm going to just make my own compiler. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Type in echo off, and then type in java c, and then type in loops. Wait, did I put an S? Loops. Alright, loops dot java, and we're gonna want to pause it just so we'll pause our program and tell us if there's in there. Alright, our compile. Now we're gonna want to name it anything we want, or compile.bat, and go ahead and run it. No errors, so pressing the key to continue is good. That's what you want it to say. Alright, so now we have a loops.class, and we're going to want to go back to this and just go back up and delete the loops.java and just make it loops. and then Java C, just delete the C out of Java and make it just Java. Then save as, just run, or anything you want, .bat. Alright, now we're going to want to run it, and it will just continuously do this up until you get to the number you wanted. So if we go here and change to, we just want 10 loops, save it, compile it, run it again, it will actually put out 9 loops because we were starting out at 1. But if we go to 0, type in 10, save, compile, run it, it will go start from 0 and go to 9, which will print out 10. Now this program right here is just going to go on forever. I've been running one for about, I'd say a good 30 minutes and it's still going. So if you guys want to make a program that goes all the way up to that amount of number, let me know how long it takes for it to get to the end. I'm wondering what the average is. I'm sure depending on how fast your computer is, how fast this will be. So let me know. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll be posting more Java programming, little noob tutorials, I guess.